Hi, Edlimark here. Few days ago, nag-upload ako ng aking channel trailer kasi nag-decide ako to restart this channel again. And right now, I'm recording this video from Takayama, Japan. Over the past few years, naging busy ako sa aking online businesses, doing marketing campaigns, and also sa offline. And looking back, na-realize ko na madami akong mga experiences, mga lessons na hindi ko na-document. And being here in Japan right now, reminded me kung gaano ka-important ang pag-document ng ating journey. Through this channel, I'll be sharing with you yung about sa online business, sa marketing, sa travel, and also personal growth. So if interested ka sa mga topic na nabanggit ko, I hope you subscribe and join me sa aking journey.